Hello viewers, this is Arpon and today I will show you how you can create a GUI calculator with Python using ChatGPT. First ChatGPT, so ChatGPT is a bot, chatbot which is developed by OpenAI which can work with the help of AI, artificial intelligence AI, and ChatGPT can answer our questions for which we can ask it by text. So let's get started. So first you need to open chat.openai.com/chat and then you have to sign in with your Google account or sign up using your email. Then you can get uh, this window. Then you need to write your command and for example open it just I wrote provide me a code of building a GUI calculator using Python just like that, and then the ChatGPT generated the code and then I copied the code and paste here, then I saved it, and now we'll see how it is work. So run, and now see a calculator window has come. Now we'll calculate plus 2 and then it's 4, then clear 9 into 9, then it's 2, so it's working.